Hey guys, myself Arjun Patel. Now we're going to do a maths topic, and now I'm going to share the screen for you. So as you can see the title itself says that we are going to do 8th class, 9th chapter, exercise 9.1. So I think I'm stuck in, so don't mind that. Just check out the answers which I'm saying. If you think the answers are wrong, I have the solutions from the official website. You may check them. So let's go. Identify the terms, their coefficients for each of the following. So the coefficients are, for coefficients, I'm going to keep C. C is 5, comma, minus 3. If you have taken only 3, it would be a blunder mistake because the whole number is minus 3. Why can you take it as plus 3? It would be a silly mistake and you may lose marks in your exam. So please check it out. For then terms will be T. For the terms, I'm going to use T. And then the T for the first bit will be T is equal to 5 X Y Z. And minus 3 ZY or YZ are the terms. As you can see them clearly, that anyone can say in this simple method that you should take terms as the first one. If you have minus 5xy, then you should take it directly. If you have plus 3zy or minus 3zy, you should take whole minus 3zy for the answer. If you take only 3zy, the answer would be wrong and you will lose a mark. So let's go to the second one. C would be for 1, however it will be 1 because 1 itself is a variable. You think that it's a variable and you take it as 1 and you assume that it's a variable. 1 is a variable. And the next one here will also be 1 because as you can see, x, there is no coefficient before x, means 1 multiplied by x. What is the coefficient then? If you have chose 1, then you are right. So let's write it down. What's the next one? Next one is also 1. The same case as the before. Easy, right? Yeah, I knew it. So the terms will be easy ones. Can you tell me? If you have told 1 comma x squared, they're right. 1 comma x comma x square. So don't think my handwriting is bad. Mine is bad because I'm using the mouse of the computer. As you can see, how can a pen move like this? And my computer is not a touch. So please don't mind this. So next one, coefficients for the each of the following. Third one, 4x squared y squared. The two which you're seeing are not coefficients. They are the exponents. So let's go. Coefficients are C, as I told you before. C are 4 and -4, because as I have told you in the first case, if you have a minus before a number, you should take that minus and take that whole number. Next one is 1. The next T is equal to so the terms are 4 x square y square comma minus 4 x square. Sorry, please ignore that. Don't mind, please. 1 minute. I'll be back in a short break. So it was my sister. Sorry for the disturbance. So it is y square x square plus x minus 4x square y square z square. It's a simple task. What's the next one? Tell me. Think that I'm not your teacher. I'm not teaching you anything. I'm just a student who's showing you how to do it. So tell me. I also don't know this question. So if you think it's one, then you are officially and of course right. I mean z1 z square or z square. Then you are of course right. So let's move in. So I'm sorry for that. Yo, ha. Yeah. So next one is z square. Oh, sorry. I may have lost 1 minute. So let's continue our thing. That is z square. Then let's do this one. Which one are we doing now? So we're doing this one. Let's go. C is equal to, coefficients are first one. If you have said it 3, then you're right. Second one, if you have said it 1, then you're wrong. If you have said it -1, then you are right. Or shall I tell you that I'm 8th class passed out batch and I'm a math student who wants to make others maths learn. So I don't want to start from 6. So I continued and I started from 8th class itself. So next one is plus 1 or it's 1. And if you thought the next one is 1, I mean minus RP is 1, no, you're wrong. It's minus 1. So let's take the terms. Okay? Terms. First one is 3. Next, P, Q. Next one is Q, R. Next one is minus PQ. So sorry, so sorry, so sorry. I did not do it right. And I apologize for that mistake. I'll not repeat it again. And I promise you. I'm doing it wrong, wrong, and wrong, and again and again. So it's minus what? PQ, understand? Next one is QR, then it's minus RP or minus 1 RP. Also, this is R. So sorry, what's that mean? So sorry. You have been thinking that I don't know anything, so I'd be explaining the whole exercise in this chapter. So please stay tuned and listen to my videos. Please like, share, and subscribe. And if by sharing, you'll help lots of other peoples understand and do the topics. You might be thinking, what you're special. I'm just 8th class pass student, and I am doing this for at least the next batch to understand it's nice. So next one is 1, 1, and not 1. It's minus 1. So next T is equal to how much? TR terms are x square y square minus xy. What are they? Minus x y. Next one is coefficient. These coefficients are going to be negative decimals, positive decimals. So check it out. 0.3, comma, minus 0.6, comma, 0.5. So let's check out on the terms. What are they? Terms. 0.3 what? Not 0.3, it is 0.38. Write the whole expressions. Keep a comma before each and every term. Term means like minus 0.6 AB, like those. AB. Maybe you can note down this. If you want to learn the whole course of algebra and factorization, you may please subscribe to our channel, and I'll create a separate this playlist only for you guys. And I'm starting a new website, maybe, I guess. If I start it, I'm gonna let you know. It's free for 2 months, then you have to pay money. So let's check the answer, right? Let's check the answers. From the first one, as I've said you, that's x squared, but I had spelled a mistake. So it's according to this question, it's 5xyz. If you have to take x squared, which I'll make a change now, you can take this. If you have a question like this, only for that I have shown you like that. So please ignore it and don't think I'm a worst teacher in the whole world. I bet you were thinking. So don't think it now from now. So the coefficients are pi and minus 3. Are this correct? Right? Are they correct? Yes. So they are correct. Next one. What are the this coefficients? Coefficients are 1, 1, 1. There, 1, 1, 1. What are the terms? 1, x, and x squared. So you see, I got it right. So next one, third one. What are the coefficients? 4, minus 4, and 1. What are the terms? 4 x squared y squared minus 4 x squared y squared z squared and z squared. If you have wrote this, then you're right. So the fourth bit is, let me show you, please understand. I have one minute here. So the coefficients are 3, minus 1, 1, and minus 1. See, are they right? Yeah. What are the terms? 3 minus PQ minus QR and minus RP. Right? I got it right. So fifth bit. What are they? I think I have not taken them right. I mean, there is no by here. So leave this question. Think that it's not even alive. So sorry for this disturbance. And you can take from this notes, not from this. Maybe you will get right from that. So sorry for the disturbance. So sorry. This question should be by. So this is wrong. Totally wrong. Next, sixth one. I have taken it right. So what is that? Sixth one. What are the coefficients? 0.3, minus 0.6, and 0.5. What are the terms? 0.3a minus 0.6ab and 0.5b. So you got it right? Right? I'm so sorry for the Fitbit. So I guess you came to know this first question. Any doubts? Ask it in the comment section. Okay? Let's go. 1 minute. I'll be right back. Now let's classify them into monomials, binomials, and trinomials. Let's go. What's the first one? B for binomial. What's the second one? M for monomial. What's the third one? This is x squared, not x2. Okay. This is binomial. What is the next one? See, this is polynomial because they have one or more terms with non-zero constants. So they're right. Next one is trinomial, binomial. Do you know the definitions of each of them? I guess you have not seen that. Then I'll say you. Binomial means it has two terms. X plus y is not one term. As you have seen in the previous question, they both are different. X and y, they both are different. Trinomial means three terms. Polynomial means a non-zero term which has one or more terms. So see, this is what you get. So what is the next one? If you think it's trinomial, then you're right. I'll show you the answer here. See. What is the next one? It's also trinomial because it has three terms. What's the next one? Binomial. What's the next one? Polynomial. What's the next one? This is also a polynomial. So why is it a polynomial? Here we have the continuation of p square q plus pq square is a trinomial. Sorry for that, by the way. So the last one, what is the last one? Tell me. So this is a binomial, by the way. This is a binomial. This is also a binomial. Let's check out the answer right now. Let's zoom in. Booyah! Oh, let's go, bro. So, what I'll take first? Binomial, monomial, polynomial. That's P. Next one is trinomial, binomial. Again, trinomial. Again, binomial. Again, polynomial. Then, monomial. How monomial? Yeah, PQR is a monomial. Next one, binomial, binomial. Are you clear? Okay, now let's zoom in. Next question. Are you ready to solve? Oh no, sorry for that. Now let's erase all of this. As you know, in PowerPoint, we have lots of things which we cannot avoid, but I want to avoid only for you guys. So please like, share, and subscribe for my sake and others' sake. So here they have given a solution. If you don't want to see the solution and solve, you can do that. And I'll explain you in the solution itself. So we can directly do that as AB minus BC, O. So sorry for the background noise. So as it's given here, we can take A minus BC whole plus BC plus CA whole plus CA minus AB. So you can regroup it like this. First, you check out the brackets like that. AB minus BC plus of plus is plus BC plus BC plus of minus is minus minus CA plus of plus is plus CA plus of minus is minus AB. So we can regroup it or we can directly cancel it. We can directly cancel it by over here itself. plus AB minus AB minus BC plus BC minus CA plus CA. We can directly cancel it. If we have we have 4 bits. As you can see in the next slide, we have others. So C, you can directly do that, and you can directly get to this step here. Then you can directly get 0, or you can directly add them and get here itself 0. There is no need of this step if you want to do it directly. And if you want to do step by step, you should regroup it first. I mean, collecting the like terms as given here. You should first collect, then cancel these both. This, this, and this. Then what will be 0 minus 0? 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0, how much? 0. So if you do it like I said before, you can save your time in the exam. And if it's given for 8 marks, then you have to do this whole process. This whole question is given for 8 marks, which means 1 bit is 4 marks, which is very important in the mathematics to check your marks and then do the process. So then now let's erase it and let's go to the next one. There is no need. If you want to show it in a bigger way, you can do the step which I have told you. If you want to do it in a bigger way, you can do this whole thing as it is. So I have got this material from learncbsc.com, wherein you can have whole of your first to 12 notes, answers, and solutions from science, social, and every subject which is published from NCERT book. So let's see the second bit. What is the second bit? A minus B plus AB, B minus C plus BC, C minus A plus AC. We can do it in a direct way. So as I have told you, take A minus B plus AB plus of B minus C plus BC plus of C minus A plus AC. We should add all the terms. First, we should remove the brackets, which will get plus of plus is plus, plus of minus is minus, plus of plus is plus again, plus of plus is plus, plus of minus is minus, plus of plus is plus again. So here you go. Plus, so we can take out the brackets and say A minus B plus AB plus B minus C plus BC plus C minus A plus AC. So then you'll get all these things. You can directly cancel over here as we had done in the before one. A cancel, A minus A cancel, C minus C cancel, B minus B cancel. Then you can directly get from this to this. Or if you want to do it in a prolonged way or something, you can follow the steps given by the console. There you go. You can do it in this way or the way which I have told you. By the way, are we getting the same answer in the both ways? Yes or no? Yes. Of course, we are getting the same answer in both of them. So let's zoom in to the next one. What's the next one? And I'll show the solution and explain them. Are you okay with that? If you're not okay, comment me, then I'll change my thing. So how do we do the first one? One. So the first one, we can do it directly. How can we? So, oh no. Here we go. We got it. So let's do the first one. For plus, we don't have any problem because there are no change of signs. There are nothing. So you can regroup the like terms together and then do that. They have taken 2p square q square minus 3p square q square. What is that? If the greater sign is if the both signs are different, you should subtract them and then keep the greatest the sign which the greater number has. Same thing applies on the second one. But you can take it as 7 PQ minus 3 PQ. How much is that? Minus signs, minus them, and keep the sign which is of greater number, which has plus sign. 3 minus 7 minus 3 is 4. So there you go, 4 PQ. So we can directly add them. 4 plus 5 is 9. So at the end, we get the answer of what we get? Minus PQ plus 4 minus PQ squared plus 4 PQ plus 9. Is it the answer right? Yes. So let's go to the next one. Without seeing it, I'm going to show you. See, how am I going to do it? So 1 minute, guys. My charging is low, very low. So I'm going to plug it in. Sorry for the middle disturbances. Please let me. So thank you. Now I'm going to take my charger plug and then plug it in. Let's do it. So guys, I'm back. So let's do the second bit. Was it L squared plus M squared? L squared plus M squared whole plus M squared plus M squared whole plus N squared plus L squared plus whole plus 2LM plus 2MN plus NL whole. So you can do it like this. You should first collect the like term, keep it in an order. L squared plus L squared is how much? 2L squared, right? M squared plus M squared is how much? 2M squared. N squared plus N squared is 2N squared. There is no like term of 2LM, MN, and NL. You should write these all as it is. Did you understand? If you have doubts, keep it in the comment section. I will be ready for your comments and I'll answer you. Okay? So let's move on. So the final answer will be 2L squared plus 2M squared plus 2N squared plus 2LM plus 2MN plus 2NL. So I've copied it from the lionscbsc.com. Please go and check it out. Oh no, I forgot to erase these things. So sorry for that, man. So sorry for that. As you have seen in the before one, we should add them. And now it's the different case. It's a different case. Now let's see the first one. What's it? First bit was that. Do you know? Of course you don't know. For subtraction, first you should change the signs of the down case, which is this one. I'm going to show you 1 minute. See, this case, the sign should be changed. For example, if it's plus, it should be changed to minus. Minus, then minus will change to plus. So let's see. What's the here first? If there is nothing, there is plus, which will be changed to minus. If it's minus, it will be changed to plus. If it's plus, it will be changed to minus. Then if it's plus, again if it will change to minus. Now you can directly do. If you have the same here, the different signs, you will subtract and keep the sign which the greater number has. So the greater number has plus and the smaller number has minus. So for subtract and the plus means nothing, then 12a minus 4a is 8a, right? Then you have to change the sign. Then you can keep the plus, which means no need. Then the signs are different again. Then you should do minus and keep the sign which the greater number has. 9ab minus 7ab is 2ab. Then the greater number has minus. Then you have to keep minus 2ab. Then the different signs again. So different signs minus, keep the sign with the greater number has. 5b minus 3b is 2b. Then the greater number has plus 2b. Then the signs are minus here. Things are getting interesting, right? If the signs are same, then you should add them and keep the sign of the sign which the both numbers have. The both numbers have minus, and then you add them. 3 plus 12 is equal to 15. Then it's minus 15. Then the total answer will be minus 8a minus 2ab plus 2b plus 15. Is it right? Yes, of course. So if you like my teaching and all of that, so please like, share, and subscribe. Still, we have a question. Yes, I don't. I think one more bit to go. I don't know in which slide we are. Let's go. Then the second one we have is 3xy plus 5yz minus 7xz plus 0. 0 means first one. You change the signs as that which I've told you now. Then take it. What it takes. Different sign minus, keep the sign which the greater number has. The greater number has a plus sign, then keep the plus sign. 5xy minus 3xy is 2xy, right? It's a basic math. No need of using a calculator. Common sense is what we need. So the next one, if you want to see my face, is the glance look. So let's go to other one. The both of them have same signs. Then you have add them and the keep the sign which they both have. 2 plus 5 is 7. Then yz. 7yz minus sign they have. So the different signs minus, keep the sign which the greater number has. 7 minus 2 is 5. The greater number has plus. Then you have to keep plus 5 exact. Over. 0 means you should write them as it is. XYZ. Over. So now let's check it. Is it 2xy, right? Minus 7yz, right? Minus y zx, right? Plus 10xyz. So the total answer is 2xy minus 7yz plus 5zx plus 10xyz. Okay? All the things are clear? Then let's go to the next one. Yes, this is of course the last one. Let's do it. So the question is, sorry, then the question is, you have to take the term 80 minus 3p minus 11q minus, so let's take it all in. Now let's do that. This is a printing mistake. The answer here should be, the typing mistake of there, the answer here should be 28. As you know, 18 plus 10 is how much? Tell me guys. 28, right? It's a simple common sense. So I'm going to complete to NCERT that you have a small mistake. So now let's zoom. So they have same signs, add them and keep the sign with both of them now. 18 plus 10 is 28. I've changed that. Make it 28. Minus 3, minus 8 means the sign will get changed. Then it will become plus. Subtract, keep the sign which the greater number has. 8p minus 3p is 5p. Then the greater number has plus. Keep that. Minus minus same signs, add and keep the sign which both of them have. 11q plus 7q is 18q. Basically. 18q minus 18q. What is it? Plus plus, same signs, keep the sign with the both of them have. 5 PQ plus 3 PQ is equal to 8 PQ plus 8 PQ, as 5 has, both of them have plus signs. So again, the both of them have same signs. Add them, keep the sign which both of them have. What is 5 5p square cube plus 3p square cube? I mean 2p square cube is 7p square pq square. I guess again a printing mistake. I think I have to color the lot in this. Not this, not this, not this at all, not this at all. Oh, sorry, man. I got irritated when I saw the thing which you would also mark me approximately. So it will be minus 7 PQ squared. Then it will be 5p square cube minus 4 PQ squared is PQ squared, because 5 minus 4, 1. 1 is nothing but, you should not take 1, then take p squared cube. There you go. The lesson is over. Any doubts, comment down below. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye. See you again after 3 or 4 days. Bye. Sorry. Okay, man. I guess I forgot something which was when uh thank you, bye. See you in the next video. Bye.